I'm going to show you how to import an image sequence into Adobe After Effects. So for animation, we use image sequences all of the time because ultimately an animation is just a collection of many images played at a certain rate, like 24 frames per second or 12 frames per second or anything like that. So much like a flip book, an animation is just a series of images. So to import your image sequence, you go to your project and you right click, hit import. And you're going to go to File. You can hit multiple files if you plan on importing more than one thing, but for this sequence, let's keep it simple and just go to File. Now you're going to navigate on your computer where you've kept those images. So if you've exported them into a certain folder, like I have, navigate to that and select the first one in the sequence. They'll be usually numbered like this. 000 is our first one. It goes all the way down to 45. And you'll note that our first image is completely white because that's the background and the pineapple hasn't jumped into the scene yet. So I'm going to select that first image, and very importantly here, you want to make sure that your sequence option is selected. So if it's PNGs, it'll say PNG sequence. If it's JPEG, JPEG, etc. So this has to be checked off. Otherwise, we'll only bring in the PNG image and not all of them put together. So if you want a video, you got to make sure that's checked off. Otherwise, you're getting an image, a singular image. So like I said, I can't get this driven home enough. Make sure that's selected for sequences. And then import in as footage, we're going to keep that. And you can rename it here if you want, but I'm going to leave it and I'm going to just import. Great. Okay, so we can see this is what we just imported. It's got the 000 to 045, so that's the sequence. And those little stacked image icons, that means that it's a sequence. And one thing I want to enforce here is if you have an animation sequence and you know the frames per second, so you exported it at 24 frames or 12 or 10 or whatever, you want to change that setting. So I'm going to right click here and go to Interpret Footage, Main, and it'll automatically be set to 30. And usually with animation or image sequences, we don't want it at 30. We want it lower. So I'm going to change this now to 24. You're always going to have to do this for your image sequences. So change it to whatever frames per second you exported that sequence as. I know this is 24, so I fixed it, hit OK, and now it will play correctly, like how it should look. So all we have to do now is drag that sequence into our timeline, and then we can hit spacebar to play it. Perfect, it worked. It's a sequence, it's playing at the right frame rate. It came in just as I expected. So just to show you, if I imported the file and I didn't have PNG sequence selected, all I would get is this one singular PNG. I wouldn't get all of them together. So if I pulled it in, it would be just nothing but that one image, which is in this case white because there was nothing in the beginning of the scene. So I'm going to delete that. Remember to have the image sequence selected and remember to change the FPS to play correctly. That's it. I hope this helped you guys. Thank you for watching. Please check out my playlist in Adobe After Effects and beyond. And thanks for watching.